software. The objective of this lesson is you will be able to understand software, the types of software, difference between system software or operating system, tasks performed by software, and what are the versions of a software. Hardware and software. You may have seen these hardwares in your lab and maybe at your home, but the software cannot be held and touched. You cannot see them without any computer or device. You cannot hold them or touch them in your hands. This is the difference between a hardware and a software. A software is a collection of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a task, whereas hardware are the physical elements of a computer. Software mainly divided into two system software and application software. They are intangible, which means you cannot see them, you cannot hold them, and you cannot touch them. It is developed by the writing instructions using a programming language. When they are damaged, it can be reinstalled using a backup copy. It should be installed into the computer to function. The example of a software are MS Office, Word, Excel, Photoshop, etc. Now, what are the versions of a software? Here you can see different cars from Toyota. They are Yaris, Corolla, Prius, Tacoma. These all different cars have different models as well. Every year they come up with the new model along with new changes, improvements and new technologies. Similarly, the versions of Windows or any other software come up with new technologies, updates and improvements. They are called the versions. Versions bring us new, improved, faults are repaired or gone, more facilities, more airs, new technology. Now let's see the types of the software. The software is classified into three types: system software, utility software, and application software. First, we're going to study about the system software. We further categorize system software into two branches: operating system and device and driver. Operating system. The example of the operating system is, you can see here in this picture, a hotel manager has divided his staff into the teams, 4 teams: hotel management, event planning, food operations, and front desk operations. Their job is to facilitate their client. Similarly, we can say the job of the operating system is to facilitate the user of the computer. An operating system manages all work in a computer, how information will be saved on a disk, when will printer perform a print, where and when will be data saved in memory. So we can say that operating system creates a connection between the user and the hardware of a computer. Most commonly used operating system. Windows is the most commonly used operating system. Device driver, the other part of the system software. Device driver, you can see here that operating system is contacting device driver for each single device. It has a separate driver for every device it uses. You can see the green line here. This is the driver for the keyboard. It contacts keyboard directly. Then operating system contacts the driver for the mouse here in red, and then it's connected directly to the mouse. Here you can see in yellow, it is the driver for the printer. So we can say operating system connects separate drivers for each and every device is contact. Generally, A driver communicates with the device through the computer bus, which is used to connect the device with the computer. Instead of accessing the device directly, an operating system loads the device drivers and calls the specific function in the driver software in order to execute specific tasks on the device. This is the system: operating system, then device driver, and then printer. That's a task sent to the printer from the operating system through the device driver. That's all for the today's session. These are your homework questions. I hope you understand and gets well. Thank you and Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.